what if I told you Excel can work like a Google search just by typing a name? And the example is, let's say if I type Anthony, and then you can clearly see it filtered out Anthony Lopez. And let's say if we don't have any result, then it will say no match. And so let's see how did we build it step by step. I have this data set with me. So let's say if I ask you that I need to find Arjun, so which means you will either apply the filter, go over here and then search in this box, or you will scroll through, or the other way is that you will do control F and then find that person name. Okay, so this is the usual way, the way people do it generally, but this is not dynamic, not more professional. So what we will do right now, so we'll create a new tab and then call this search tool. Okay, and we'll go to view, so we'll remove the grid lines and then make it bigger. Okay, so that's fine. So now we'll copy the headers from here, so let's say till maybe annual salary, and then we'll copy the headers over here. And the next step is that we need to create a search box. So there are two ways. So either I can make this cell, for example, my search box, or I can do another way. We'll go to the developer tab and take this button, so which is ActiveX control, and we will put that box over here. Okay, and now we need to click on properties. So this box will open up, and in the linked cell, so you can put anything, for example, D2, E2, E3. So I'm putting E2 over here. So which means this box is linked with E2 cell. Okay, and now I will come out of the design mode and then I can see this box and then I can type the name as well. So let's apply the formula filter. So it is asking us for the array. So array means whatever data we want. So we'll go over here and then select the data. So we'll select the data till annual salary and the entire data. Now comma, and the tooltip says include. So over here, so we will apply is number, and then within is number we will apply search. So I'm just applying the formula and then I'm going to explain it to you. So it is asking us for the find text. So which means we need to find E2 because we linked E2, right? And then within text, so where we need to find, so in this full name. Okay, and then bracket close, comma, if empty, like if nothing matches, so which means no match or blank. So I can say maybe, no match and enter. So we got this data. So now we'll go to this cell. So let's say I want to find Arjun. Okay, so we got the Arjun, but let's say I will add maybe Arjun Das. So there is no Arjun Das, so which means no match. But as soon as I remove S, so we can see, okay, so we have Arjun Davis accordingly. Okay, so now let me explain this formula to you. I will edit the formula. So first we applied filter, so which means, so we want this data over here, and then we applied is number, within is number we applied search. So in this search, so search looks for the E2 value, so which is basically what we will enter, and then look for in the name because we will type name, so which means you need to look the same value in the name column, and then we used is number, right? So search basically what it will do, if it finds a match, it returns a number, and then basically is number converts that into true or false, and then filter basically shows only matching row. So basically Excel is checking every name and then showing only matching result. So that's it. If you found this video useful, like it, subscribe it, and I'll see you in the next video.